Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. This is one of the most exclusive sprinters out there. It is the Mercedes Sprinter Business Edition, fully customized by Klassen. So in this video I will tell you why this is worth 190,000 euros. I will show you the complete exterior, interior and the VIP design with these 7 seats. Furthermore, it has serious technology, the RGB light control and a large television screen which functions as a half partition wall. So tell me, do you recognize these VIP seats? They are kind of similar to the G-Class Edition 1. So before we move on, make sure you follow me on Instagram, the link is down below, and I have some amazing content special for you. Having a closer look at the front, it is not only noticeable that this Sprinter doesn't fit into the picture, it is massive. But you can also see that these are the new headlights, part of the facelift model. So this is based on the Sprinter 319. It has 190 horsepower under the bonnet with a 6-cylinder diesel engine. And a cool feature is that every plastic part of the exterior is blacked out to match the exterior body color, which is obsidian black. I love that it still has the chrome horizontal lines with a blacked out part on the top. It has very cool and special multi-spoke rims with the Klassen emblem, and here on the side you can see the Klassen logo with the Business Edition lettering. And standing beside the Sprinter, it looks massive, over 3 meters in height. And it also fulfills the requirements because it has these warning signals. That's for vehicles over 6 meters long. And this one is the long wheelbase, so it is 6 meters and 92 centimeters in length. Lovely blacked out windows. So now let's have a look at the interior. Amazing. From the interior we see that it matches the design of the 7 VIP seats. I will just press the button for all the electronics to work and it looks amazing. You have this half partition wall that you can still see the VIP passengers. Amazing. Furthermore, a very bright interior with the Alcantara on the pillars and the ceiling. Even this cover is fully Alcantara. Some storage space above, and the steering wheel is part of the new facelift. It has nice stitching and a great color combination with the touchpads, and also at the center console it has characteristic facelift design with this touchscreen and swipe so that you can zoom in and out just like a mobile phone. So let me just move the key with a glossy black and grey design. A large fridge with 2 cup holders on the top. And you can leave your phone in this soft area. And of course, because it is the Sprinter new facelift model, it has the MBUX voice command. So you can say, "Hey Mercedes."
Ja, bitte.
Ich möchte gern nach Düsseldorf fahren.
Die Route zum Ziel Düsseldorf wird berechnet.
So easy. Let's cancel it.
Bitte fahren Sie zur angezeigten Route.
Blacked out air vents and a plastic wood design for the center console. Here it has a button to open the VIP door. So now it is time to have a look inside. It also has this air suspension device with 2 symbols, Brain 1 and Brain 2. So advanced knowledge and super knowledge. Let's lower the suspension. So it's easier to go inside. The actual reason why it has the air suspension is for a more comfortable ride on the Autobahn. it will actually lower and it absorbs the bumps. So let's go inside this VIP interior. You have this side step that folds out as you open the door. Let's grab the handle to go inside. So the interior of the Mercedes Sprinter Business Edition has 7 different seats. It is completely customized by Klassen. And they are very multifunctional, especially these 2 seats. You can turn it forward and around so that it faces the driving direction. It has the G-Class Edition 1 styling seats with very horizontal pillows, and they are very comfortable for your head. With this silver button you can make the footrest appear, and with this handle you can make the back lay down. And here in the center section you can slide forward. And if you then press this button on the top, it will pop out. Here you can take your private jet table, so that you can work on it or have your dinner. There is also a larger meeting plate in case you want to show off your miniature of a new map or city. So let's put it back. Just press the button and it will slide back. So you can open the blindings, the curtains, and it has a blacked out blinded windows. So in contrary to the movable seats in front of me, these 5 seats are fixed. It also has the button for your footrest, and you can lay all the way down. Very comfortable. I love that the seats are very bright with a contrast grey color. Again, the very wide headrest. For every passenger there's a cup holder. You have 2 USB slots at the sides and also the air vents. If you press the second button, you can play around with the RGB light control. So let's try the green color, yellow, orange, red, of course bluish, and pink for the ladies. And the wall ceiling changes. Red, blue. So let's leave it on the blue. So let's put it back and we'll have a look at the television screen. It is a 32-inch television screen. It has Apple TV, internet connection, and there is also access via the antenna to multiple television programs. It also has a clock in the center. Over here it has a multimedia system with a touchscreen to control the temperature, the time, Bluetooth connection and more. You can also change the temperature on the right side or select the automatic. So let's sit in the last 2 seats. So personally, my best seating position will be here all the way in the rear in the center. You have a great view of the interior with all the seats and the driving cockpit. You can also lower these armrests, and over here it also has a drawer. Great comfortable seats. So who wants to join me in these 2 additional seats? Now I'm very curious, how does the luggage space look like? Let's go. So you can actually stand up straight here in the interior. So let's check out the rear. It has amazing side skirts, also in the black body color. Here we can notice the AMG exhaust tips with an aggressive diffuser, the business emblem on the right side and the Klassen emblem on the left side. So let's have a look in the trunk. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked this video and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.